Hello students, I hope you have done with lesson number 1. Now we will deal with lesson number 2. This is your computer book Cyber App by Kips. Lesson number 2, Uses of Computer. There are two topics in this: use of computers in different field, role of computer in learning and teaching. As you know students, in day-to-day life today, computer is very much useful in each and every field. We will see which fields computer are useful and in which manner it is useful. As you can see, the first one is home. At home, what we can do with the help of a computer, we can watch movies, we can listen to song, any song you like, you can listen. You can even play games also. You can even do homeworks with that also. Next, school. In school, what we do? We keep the record of school library in the computer. Teacher use the computer for making their timetable, report cards, and for practical. In the higher classes, practical. You go to computer lab, you do practical, and you can draw and color also with the help of computer. Shops and offices, what they do, they keep the record of items and they type and print the bills. Students, they send and receive messages in offices. Now we will see in banks how it is useful. In banks, what we do, in the computer we keep all the details of a bank account. Then we can take out money from ATM with the help of a computer. Hospitals, what happen? In hospital, all the record of patient, that how many patients are there, their name, date of birth, each and everything is feeded on a computer system. Students, they prepare medical report, x-ray, each and everything is stored in a computer. It helps doctor to know more about the diseases and their causes, that how this disease is caused, how is this disease caused, and what are the causes for this. Railway stations and airport. In railway station, we can easily book tickets with the help of a computer. We can keep record of all the passengers who are traveling in a train or flight. We can get information of arrival and departure of a train or a flight. Space research and defense. We can find information about space. We can send rockets in the space. We can help the military to make security weapons with the help of a computer. Learning new skills. You can learn many things with the help of a computer. You can learn different languages, you can learn cooking and many more things, students. In designing field, we can design clothes, cars, machine, buildings with the help of a computer. We can design printing books. We can design print book, newspaper, magazine, anything. We can make cartoons, animated movies also. Role of computer in learning and teaching. How in learning and in teaching computer is useful? You know, computer is very much useful. You might have seen the smart classes. We see on, you must remember in class 1, you see the digital content of computer. Similarly, in class 2 also, you will see the digital content. That is, each and everything is in an animated form and it makes you learn very much easily, students. It makes learning very much easy. Lots of information at a click. When you are having internet connection in a computer, you can find anything in a computer. If you are having any doubt, any question, anything in mind, then you can easily type on a computer and you can search for that answer. Teachers also get many things from the computer. Teachers also get help for many topics, for various activities such as quizzes, worksheet, and for setting question papers, students. Better presentation. With the help of a computer, many informations can be presented in a better way, means in a nice manner. Use of audio video aids. With the help of audio video aids, teacher can make their lessons interactive. As you know, student, with the help of digital content, you can easily remember the chapter. So this is the main thing, audio video aid. When you see anything and when you hear anything, when you see and hear, you can learn it very easily. And color, sound and movement of objects make it more simpler to make you learn that particular thing. Teacher can make use of educational game and CD to motivate the student and help them in a playway method. What do teachers do? They use these all techniques so that students can enjoy their subject and learn very easily. Smart classes. Before only I have talked about this, that in the digital content you see all the things you can see easily and you can learn it, students. Online teaching and testing. As you know that what I am teaching, this is also online because you will see this on your mobile phone or on your desktop or on your laptop. So this is online teaching, means teacher is anywhere else and students are somewhere else, and you can easily learn the chapter what I am teaching you. An online test also. Online test can be conducted and results can be generated in no time. Online test can also be done or results can also be generated within a small period of time. This was all about lesson number 2, students. I hope you have understood this lesson and I hope you will revise it very nicely. Bye, students.